How to become a venture capitalist. So you've heard the term venture capitalist, but what does it actually mean? And more importantly, how can you become one? Well, in today's video, I'm breaking it all down, step by step. What a VC does, how they make money, and how you can get started on your path to becoming one. Let's go! What is a venture capitalist? A venture capitalist, or VC, is an investor who puts money into startups and early-stage companies in exchange for equity, ownership in the business. They're basically betting that the startup will grow and become very valuable. If it does, the VC makes a lot of money. If it fails, the VC loses their investment. VCs don't usually invest their own money. They work for venture capital firms, which pool funds from wealthy individuals, banks, and institutions to invest in promising startups. How to become a venture capitalist. So, how do you actually become a VC? Here's a proven path. Step 1. Learn the VC industry. Understand how venture capital works, the investment stages like seed, Series A, B, C, how valuations work, what an exit means. Books like Venture Deals by Brad Feld are a great start. Follow blogs and podcasts from real VC. Step 2. Build a strong foundation. Many VCs have backgrounds in business, finance, or tech. An MBA from a top school is common but not required. Even more important, work experience in investment banking, consulting, startups, or product management. These give you the skills and credibility. Step 3. Build your network. Venture capital is a relationship game. Attend startup events, pitch competitions, and meet founders, investors, and other VCs. The more people you know, the more deals you see. Step 4. Learn to spot opportunities. Train yourself to evaluate startups. Look at their team, market potential, product, and business model. Study companies that succeeded and those that didn't to understand why. Step 5. Start investing. If you have some savings, you can begin as an angel investor, investing small amounts in startups. Platforms like AngelList or Seed Invest let you invest even a few $100s to build your track record. Step 6. Join a VC firm or start your own. Most people start as an analyst or associate at a VC firm. Later, when you've built enough expertise and a network, you can even raise your own fund and become a partner. Step 7. Keep learning. Venture capital is a long game. Sometimes it takes years to see returns. Specialize in an area you're passionate about, like fintech, biotech, or AI, and keep improving. Skills you need. So what makes a great VC? Here are some key skills. Strong financial and analytical skills. Good judgment about people and markets. Relationship building and trust. Willingness to take risks, but calculated ones. And there you have it, a roadmap to becoming a venture capitalist. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and drop a comment below. What industry would you invest in if you were a VC? Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey to becoming the next big venture capitalist.